Let me do it. Let me do it first. This is checking.
Okay. Ano yan? Ano ginagawa?
He's brushing her. He's superior.
Superior, okay. Sige. Tama ba yan?
Yes.
Okay, lagyan ng check. Ito, ano yan?
Doing use.
Ano ginagawa ng girl?
She is using too much screen time.
She's too much. O, sige. Tama ba yan? Mali. O, ano yun, isa?
Cutting your nails.
Tama, mali. Okay. Ano yan?
Here, look.
Ano yan ginagawa?
The boy is doing something so good.
Ano pala yan?
He's using some fork. He's eating some healthy food.
O, tama ba yan?
Yes, that is kalabasa, my favorite vegetable.
Okay. Okay. Ano pa?
Washing the dirt away from your hands.
Tama?
Tama.
Okay, very good.
Dudumi. Dudumi.
Okay.
Here. But let's start to. It's just
Ano yung
first.
sa? Ay, ano yan siya? Verde yung mabaho, no?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm following it.
Okay.
2 socks.
Ew, stinky socks, no?
Yeah. I think rats has it. Spiders eat it. That's enough both of the happy.
Okay. Ano pa yung stinky? Ano pa yung stinky? Ano yan?
Garbage.
Garbage.
It's the poor families and the cat's home.
Okay.
It's the rubbish. Some of the fish chicken bones.
Tapos, saan siya pupunta? Yung stink na mabaho?
Over here. But the real color is brown. Mom, this is what happens if you eat too much veggies.
Bakit?
Because it will become like this.
Ay, bakit pencil?
Smelling sabon.
Sabon.
Does it smell bad?
Okay.
It doesn't smell bad.
Opo.
I'm gonna even color the
The bubbles.
bubbles.
Like teacher's activity, no?
Yes.
Okay. And
Now let's do it with pencil.
saan siya pupunta?
To the happy.
Sa happy face. Okay. Ano pa yung mabango? Ano yan?
Your perfume.
My perfume. Para?
This is what happens if you mix a yellow liquid to your perfume.
Spray to your
This is
body, to your cloth. Okay. Wow. Connect mo na. Sige, sige. Ay, ay. Ang lawak ng dinaanan niya.
because I don't want to bother this line.
Oh, sige. Very good. O, ano pa? Ano pa yung
It's
mabango?
my flowers.
Ano yan sa Tagalog?
Rota.
Ha? Bo? Lak?
Bulaklak.
Very good. Paborito yan ng? Ano yung animal na ano? Gusto yung flower?
It's easy. Butterfly.
Butterfly tsaka?
How about let me choose this down.
Ang galing oh. Para hindi matrap. Huwag na mag-curl kasi. Pahirapan mo pa si teacher. Okay. Very good ah. Okay, last one. Ang galing ah. Ano to?
Malambot.
Anong yung malambot?
Soft.
Okay. Anong pwede dyan? Ano to?
Pom-pom.
Oh, ito. Lagyan mo, tapos dikit mo dito.
I'm gonna place it here first.
Oh, sige. Oh, gadulbad lang. Okay. Sige, lagay mo. Okay. Ano to?
My Tikas needs rock.
Okay. Asaan ang rock?
Over here.
Rock yan? Are you sure?
Yes.
Konti lang. Yan. Ano to?
Malamig.
Ano yung malamig?
Cold.
Ano yan?
It's an ice cubes.
Okay. Dali nga, nakakuha ka ng teknika. Bilis ah.
It looks like putting a toothpaste.
Okay. Ano to?
Makikinis.
Again?
Makikinis.
Kinis. Ano yung
Makinis.
makinis? Ano yan? Ano
Steel.
to? Ano to?
my ring.
No, I think it's a mirror. Mirror ba yan? Or ring?
Let me see.
Ano yan? Ano sa tingin mo? I think it's a mirror. I think it's a ring?
Nope, it's a mirror.
Mirror, okay. Ayan. Okay. Okay, ano to? Again?
Magaspang.
Magaspang. Okay. Ano yung magaspang? Love. Ano yan?
It is a
Magaspang. Ano yan?
Magaspang means it's love.
Oh, love. Okay. Tapos, ulat mo yung name mo dito, ha? Yung full name mo. Very good. Okay. Tapos, magad homework mo, ha? Ito, write ka ng full name mo. Write mo yung full name.